Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your controller latency is low and the game is in a mode that allows animation canceling. Once done, set input response to linear and disable aim assist so inputs register predictably. Then, position Adam Warlock near a predictable enemy or object and warm up for 10 to 15 repetitions to feel timing. You need tight, repeatable inputs. That consistency is what lets you cancel animations reliably and recover faster for follow-ups. Now you focus on the middle sequence. Perform Adam Warlock's primary attack, and once the first hit registers, buffer a dash between 0.15 and 0.25 seconds later to interrupt recovery. After the dash, immediately trigger a short ability or dodge within 0.1 seconds to shave additional frames and preserve momentum. Pay attention to animation cues and enemy stagger. Those visual markers tell you whether you hit the sweet spot and why you should adjust timing by a few frames. To finish, chain into a high-damage ability or reposition within half a second so you capitalize on the canceled recovery and stay safe. If the cancel fails, check controller and network input delay, then repeat while nudging timing by plus or minus 0.02 seconds until you find consistency. Make sure to record short clips of success and failure. Comparing them lets you see exactly which frame you missed and explains why a tiny timing change fixes the cancel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.